Hey YouTube, this is a long overdue restoration video of my 1996 Ford F-150. Do a quick walk around. Okay, well, as you can see, it's a turquoise color. Got clear, I don't have that plastic stock, so it's not going to film. LED headlights. Custom aluminum billet grille. I got aftermarket tail lights, brand new tailgate. If you look at my old videos, it had the plastic piece on the top. I got a new one, new bumper, brand new Kumo 31-inch tires with aluminum American racing rims, diamond plate rails with tailgate protector, and I have a rubber bed mat. Brand new mirrors, both sides, chrome. Brand new windshield wipers. I got rain guards. Look on the inside. You've probably seen this video before, but I got all new interior, new seat, vinyl floor, used to be carpet. I got all new dash pad, new trim emblems, Alpine CDE 102 radio, manual transmission, 5-speed, 6-shooter cylinder, shifter knob. I got, if you look at my other video also, my Cobra 19DX4 CB radio with built-in PA system. Representing Team Realtree. Look under the hood. Bear with me on this. Okay. 302 V8. It's pretty much stock right now. I didn't do anything to the motor yet. I'm gonna get a full air intake system, and I'm trying to, clean up the motor a little bit, put some chrome parts on here. That's pretty much it. As soon as it's done, when the tires are bald, 33's going on with a nice maybe 4-inch lift. Next thing is dual Magnum Flow, possibly Flowmaster exhaust out both ends. That'll be next. So keep posted if you like the video, you love the truck, because I know I do. Comment, rate, subscribe for more, and I'll get back to you with more updates as I go along.